Hi, I'm Michael from Jim's Antennas, and today I'm sitting on a beautiful roof out in Upwey, which is in the outer east of Melbourne. Now, Upwey, unfortunately, doesn't get any reception from our normal spot, which most of Melbourne gets it from. So, in this case here, they have a UHF repeater station that's putting out the same channels that we get in the rest of Melbourne. They're just on different frequencies. So, we have to use a different type of antenna up here. Now, today, I've just installed a UHF phased array antenna. Now, they look quite different to your normal antenna. They look quite different. So in this particular case here, there are lots of trees, lots of bushes, as you can see behind me. So this particular type of antenna I found over the last 20 years is able to punch through those trees and all the obstructions and really pick up great signal. It's like having 4 antennas all rolled into one. Now, this specific antenna is not going to suit most of Melbourne. There are only black spots around. So in South Yarra, Richmond, Armidale, there's a repeater station up on the Como Tower there, and there are lots more like this one in Upwey. There's Selby, there's Trafalgar. There are different spots around Victoria and around Australia that rely on that type of antenna to get the reception. I just wanted to show you this beautiful antenna, the lovely Matchmaster phased array. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.